Ports are critical to our global economy. More than 2,500 ports exist worldwide, with thousands more harbor entries and waterway commerce centers. Interface plays a vital role as a supplier of measurement solutions designed for maritime use. Our rugged weighing and force measurement products are a line of products commonly used in port and terminal applications of all types to modernize equipment and improve operations. Due to the environment, safety requirements, and regulations for maintaining core operations of ports, quality sensor devices must withstand unpredictable environmental conditions, including complete submersible use cases for onshore, nearshore, and offshore applications. Our force measurement products are frequently used for modernizing and maintaining port-related machines, moving equipment, and lifts. This includes our submersible measurement solutions. We offer high-accuracy load cells, load pins, load shackles, tension links, and wireless instrumentation. Our products are perfect for precise load measurement during lifting operations, cargo handling, cargo weight monitoring, mooring line monitoring, and general port equipment. Our load cell technologies ensure the safe and efficient operation of various port equipment by measuring the weight, tension, and compression forces exerted on different components, allowing operators to make informed decisions and prevent accidents.